In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip an image or a single layer in Adobe Photoshop. This is a quick but incredibly useful trick, whether you're fixing a mirrored photo, creating reflections, or adjusting design layouts. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop guides. Alright, let's start with flipping an entire image. First, go to the top menu and click Image, then hover over Image Rotation. In the drop-down, you'll see two useful options: Flip Canvas Horizontal and Flip Canvas Vertical. Flip Canvas Horizontal will mirror your image from left to right. Flip Canvas Vertical will turn the image upside down. Just click the option you want and Photoshop instantly flips the entire canvas. Now let's say you only want to flip one specific layer. This is very common when working with graphics, logos, or duplicated elements. First, select the layer you want to flip in the Layers panel. Next, press Ctrl T on your keyboard to activate Free Transform. You'll see a transform box appear around the layer. Right-click anywhere inside the box and choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. Once the layer flips, press Enter to confirm the transformation, and that's it. Super quick and incredibly useful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching and see.